What's up, guys? On today's episode, we're going to be doing more interior work. Really looking forward to this one. We got a lot to do, so let's get to it.
Good to see you.
So on a previous day, I cut this plywood to put up to mount the pallet wood. I decided against that. I'm just going to run slats of like 1x2 down that I have something to nail the wood up to. I think this is going to be too heavy, maybe not so much for here, but for the serving window. I think a sheet of whatever it is, 1/2-inch plywood and the pallet wood combined is going to be a lot of weight to be hanging out over on this little piano hinge, so it's going to change it up a little bit and get to it. I hate redoing work. So really quick, we're just gonna throw the wheels on in here and then pull it forward, open up the back door so we can lay out where we're gonna put the countertops and the fridge and yeah, get to it.
Every single day, yeah. So hold me tight through the night.
We're just going to quickly lay out the floor plan with some tape so we know where everything's going to lie, and then we're going to go buy some materials. So we decided on a floor plan. We're going to go with this outline here is going to be a keezer, which is a freezer that you convert into to hold kegs that have taps on it. This is going to be a little countertop across the back to separate the outside from the inside. We're going to have another countertop, just a short one, to put like a glass or something on. And then up front here, in this area, we're going to center a sink under the window with our water tanks underneath. And then if we want, we could put like a cooler or something for our additional ice. We got our keezer.
I believe you love me, oh, I just feel so lucky, oh, still can't believe you love me. Oh, can't believe you love me, oh, I just feel so lucky, still can't believe you love me. I met an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out a notepad and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just...
So I know it's just a freezer, but I am very excited to get this in its place and we could start laying out how we're going to do the countertop and how high we want to make this so that the tap handles are in a good spot. So I'm going to get to unpacking this and we'll go from there.
I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other.
Alright, so pick up tomorrow.
Stop looking for the answers.
So we're going to pick up where we left off last night. I'm going to wire up these boxes, put in the crown molding, and then get to working on the backsplash.
searching for glory.
So I decided we're gonna put the recessed lighting in here. And we're gonna use this panel on the side to hide the boxes and stuff from the side view so you don't see it when you look into the inside of the trailer. So we'll see how this comes out and I'll show you when I'm done.
Then I kept walking on down the road. When your time is up, it's time to go. I pray he reads what's on the note. He takes to heart what I wrote. I said, son, when you grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind.
So when we originally came up with this lighting idea with the crown molding, I thought I was just going to put a straight board across the top and not build these boxes to hide all the wiring and everything. So this took a lot longer than I was intending on allotting for it.
What you've got, when you grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers, and you'll find what you've got.
No. Pretty Caroline, oh, 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 stone cold stunner. She was a winner, started working at the dine. Oh, 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 searches of her mind.
So while I was working on these boxes, Gabby was cleaning the ceiling inside the trailer to get it ready for paint, and she actually got the wire brush from the drill caught on her glove, and thankfully she let go of the trigger and it didn't hurt her or anything, and she had the gloves on, but definitely scared her a little bit.
Off where the neighbors don't stay.
Responder incident.
It was the drill. I got it on video.
Did you?
Just get granted. I know you never forgive enough unless it's real. A slippery slope, it's not enough to be the pretty Caroline. Oh, 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 stone cold stunner. She was a winner, started working at the dine. Oh, 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 searches of her mind.
Just a little bit too small. I didn't have the right size, but I figured I would at least get some of it cut.
How they come there for you. Yeah, yeah, let's go. It's the missed opportunity train. It only comes on a very blue moon. Blink twice, and you missed it again. Waiting in line for the party to end. Guess you didn't get.
So it was actually kind of annoying. I didn't have the right size hole saw, so I had to router each one of these holes out with just a regular router bit so that the lights would snap in and fit flush.
Pretty Caroline, the stone cold stunner. She was a winner, started working at the dine. It serves as a reminder to count your blessings, 'cause this town ain't fair. They'll put you down and leave you there, don't make them scared. Yeah, that's the truth. How they cut you.
So it worked out pretty good. The lights are all recessed in now. They should fit nice. Gabby's in there cleaning up, getting ready to paint, so we could prime these and prime the inside, and then I could hang these and we could get to wiring all the lights up. So I'm quickly just going to add these little blocks to the end to close it off, so you won't be able to see the wiring when you look in from the front-back direction.
Oh, the good times just begun.
So these things are all wrapped up with the end caps on. We're gonna run to the hardware store and grab some semi-gloss so we can sand these and paint these, and then we're gonna paint the ceiling inside and get these installed.
Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Molding box out pieces are all done. All the holes are cut. They're primed now. Just gotta wait for them to dry, and then we can throw a coat of semi-gloss trim paint on them. I actually routed the edges to make them look a little bit nicer and a little bit cleaner, and they should look good once they're hanging up in the trailer. While I was working on that, Gabby actually wrapped up priming the ceiling in here, which looks really nice. She's gonna, once this dries up a little bit, we're gonna roll on the eggshell top coat, and it should look really nice. So a little bit of change of plans. I'm gonna lay the crown moldings in, and then we'll actually paint them in here because it gives me the opportunity then to wire this while Gabby paints the ceiling, so we can get a little bit more done in a little bit less time. So we're gonna lay this up here. Hold it. It's gonna come in the middle. Dinky.
Where's the line have to be? On the line.
That should be like the edge. Yeah. Is it close?
Yeah.
Okay. You got it.
Saw you from across.
Yo, what's going on, everybody?
To feel this way.
So, wrapped up the crown molding. Everything's in. Lights look good. Pretty happy with it. Now I'm going to let Gabby paint the ceiling while I wire up a couple of these boxes and get ready to wire to the main plug that we're going to put right over here for 110 power. So we're probably going to start cleaning up now. Gabby did an amazing job. Painted the whole ceiling all on her own. Looks really, really good.
You say that you're from out of town.
So I hope you enjoyed today's episode. On next week's episode, we'll share with you our new reclaimed palette with backsplash and our electrical wiring. Please remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below and share this video with a friend.